Mahamud Harbi, a hero falls to death, a pioneer of unionism and a fervent defender of self-determination. Mahamud Harbi Allah Yarhamu was the breath of an era, that of awakening, of no to colonialism and the hope of the people of the French coast of Somalis, the first denomination of the current Republic of Djibouti. From Ali Sabi's humble childhood to his tragically shattered fate in a mysterious plane crash in 1960, this is the portrait of a hero of the anti-colonial struggle who fell too soon to see his dream of independence come to fruition. Born in January 1921 in Ali Sabi, Mahamud Harbi came from a notable, yet, against all odds, he reappears at the end of the Second World War in 1946 like a miracle in the midst of his astonishment. But the man who came back from Europe is no longer the same. He has seen the opposite of the imperial decor, the strengths and weaknesses of the colonial system. This experience revived his political consciousness, in particular his will for change and independence. Mahamud Harbi is now determined to change the fate of his people and respected family in this southern region of the country called at that time, under the yoke of colonialism, the French coast of Somalis. His father, Harbi, a figure of respected authority, passes on to him the values of dignity, uprooting, and responsibility. Mahamud was only 17 years old at the death of this one in 1938. In search of a better future, he packs his suitcase to settle in Djibouti City, far from the familiar ochre hills of Ali Sabi's city and its surroundings. It is in the tourism sector that he takes his first steps in active life. Here, in the heart of the port, in contact with Europeans, travelers passing by and their stories from all over the world. Among the few rescued, he is sent to the metropolis and then lands on a foreign land, delivered to the humiliation of the German occupation. In France, Mahamud Harbi faces deprivation, hunger, and injustice of ration tickets. He discovers another face of reality, the privileges of the metropolis, the diversity of cultures, but also the possibilities elsewhere. This environment awakens in him the desire to discover the country of these settlers he lives next to every day. The occasion arises when the Second World War breaks out on September 1, 1939. Mahamud Harbi then makes his choice. He voluntarily engages in the Navy of the Free French Forces to fight alongside the Allies. Immediately affected by a warship, he faces hell and survives a shipwreck caused by German forces in the Mediterranean. Escaping justice to death, he was pronounced dead in Djibouti.